Hello everyone and welcome to the Full-Time GIS. In this ArcGIS Pro tutorial, you will learn how to use the buffer tool, one of the most commonly used geoprocessing tools in GIS. A buffer creates a zone around point, line, or polygon features based on a specified distance. It's widely used in urban planning, environmental studies, transportation, and site selection. Let's begin. First, add your input feature layer to the map. Next, open the buffer tool from the geoprocessing pane or analysis tool. Select the input layer, specify the output feature class, and enter the required buffer distance. Choose the appropriate dissolve option, then click Run. ArcGIS Pro will generate a new buffer layer around your feature, and that's it. You have successfully created a buffer in ArcGIS Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Full-Time GIS for more practical ArcGIS Pro tutorials and complete GIS courses. Thanks for watching.